Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Vastfire 5000 Lumen Small Flashlight. The flashlight came in a simple brown box. Inside you get a carrying strap, a micro USB cable for charging. You also get this optional battery cartridge which uses 3 AA's, or you can use the rechargeable one that comes with it. And of course you get the flashlight. The flashlight has a max lumen of 5000. It has an adjustable focus beam. It also has 3 lighting modes: high, medium, strobe, and it also has a lantern feature. It uses the XHP 70.2 LED with a max beam range of 800 meters. It has a 5000 milliamp rechargeable battery and it's IPX4 water resistant. Taking a look at the flashlight, you can see it's fairly small, and it's made of metal. The body feels sturdy. You can adjust the beam pattern by moving the front up and down like this. You have the on and off button on the front here, along with the LEDs that will tell you the remaining charge. And then you have a light on the side here, which has a lantern feature, which we'll go over in a little bit. Lifting up this rubber cover, you'll find the micro USB port for charging, and you also have a USB-A port so you can charge your devices. And here's a look at the front light. Then opening the back, you have access to the 5000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. You can see it here. And you also have the option of using this cartridge here where you can use 3 AA's. And then this battery is the 26650. Taking some measurements, just the length of the flashlight. It's just under 7 inches long. Then as far as the width, it's a little over 1.5 inches. Okay, looking at the modes of the flashlight, if you press the power button once, this will bring you to the high mode, and this is 5000 lumens, and you'll get about 4 hours of runtime. You can also see the LEDs on the top here that will tell you the remaining charge. And as mentioned, you can zoom in by moving the front like this. Pressing the power button again. This is the medium mode, and this is roughly 3000 lumens, and it will give you 6 hours of runtime. And then the strobe, this will be 5000 lumens, and this is about 10 hours. So now looking at the lantern feature, or the light on the side here, to turn that on, you want to double click the power button. So now that's on the high mode. Press it again. That will put it on a lower mode. And you press it again. This is the red light. And then there's a strobe. Now I'll take it out in the garage so you get an idea of how bright it is. This is on the high setting, and this is how it looks when you focus. And now switching over to the medium setting, which is 3000 lumens, and also zooming in. And then the strobe feature. And now this is how the side light or the lantern looks, starting off with the high setting, then moving to the low, and then the red light, and then the red light blinking. Alright, that will do it. That's a look at the 5000 lumen Vastfire small flashlight. I left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.